All right, guys, we did it. 500 subscribers. Today we'll make the announcement, but first we're gonna do a little introduction video. Let's go ahead and give Pete a cold start. Show you what's under the hood. Still need to tub it. Always a work in progress. So, that's Pete. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. I'm Daniel. I am the owner, founder, and operator of Crazydayz Fab. I just purchased this house back in October. Had the shop built, finally. You know, I've done everything out of carports and a 2-car garage for now. But you just got to keep growing and pushing your limits. It's all you can do. I'll walk you through and show you the shop in a minute and show you what we have planned. And here shortly we can announce what the big announcement is. Here's the shop. It's a 30 by 60. I put up 21,000 lumens LEDs. I'm gonna do installation and 2 mini splits possibly on the back wall. Not 100% sure yet because it gets hot here in Florida. So there's the good old shop. We're gonna be finishing up this Tahoe, so keep an eye out on that. Like I said, we still have to finish tubbing the firewall. We're gonna tub some fenders. Fenders are gonna have inner panels to cover control arms. We have it wrapped up because it's got a beautiful, beautiful paint job already done on it. Put some sheet metal in the rear. Drive shaft tunnel, a little more trimming. We'll get her finished right up. You can see some of that beautiful paint job on this thing. Got quite a few things going on. Definitely want to subscribe and stay tuned. Got some things going on with this one too. That one lays completely out and lays body. This thing's getting cut down real soon. We'll be pulling this motor and transmission out of this one. We'll make some videos for that. Well, everything I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna start putting up videos, and we're gonna start letting you guys see what we're doing here.